What is going on, guys? We are going to be duping a bunch of nut shredders.
Oh.
Again.
Yes. Let's go. I'm spamming. I'm ready. Did it work?
Oh dang it, that didn't work.
I was just going too fast. Put it in here. It also works like this. Like here.
So how did you get all those?
It also works right here.
I want some? I got you.
Maybe do it a little bit higher.
No, if you do it right here, it actually works. I did it with a friend and it's way easier. Like right here. If you spam fast.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm really good at spamming my buttons.
Let's see.
Because you have to spam it way faster and I can spam it really fast.
It is so small.
Alright, empty, so put it in there. Put it in.
No, we have to do it like this. Now it's full.
Oh yeah.
Ready? Anyway, where?
Give me some.
Wait, yeah. Right here.
There's some over there.
Wow!
Oh dang it. Dang.
Now you think it is fine. Doesn't make me so blind. You just waste a lot of time.
Domain expansion.
Hey, you wanna see
We'll level
Wait, you wanna see
expand.
Cookie from Juanito? Come outside, everybody come look outside.
I suck.
Everybody look outside.
Oh my god.
He's lagging my game. Bro!
Damn it, I'm selling.
My game.
Alright, look. Let me have it.
Stop.
Whoa!
He's lagging my game. Oh my god!
Money talks. Money talks. Birdie cat. Oopsies.
Look.
Empty.
Can you get that for me, Dad? No, Dad, can you
Did
get
it
that
work?
for me? No, thanks, Dad.
I grabbed it. Dang.
Dang.
Damn.
Dad,
You need help with that? I got you.
I need help, Dad.
Just keep them on in your stash so they don't despawn. Damn it.
Yeah.
And then at the end of duping, when we think we have enough, we're just gonna dump them all out.
Where'd you go?
We should try it like here.
Where'd you go?
Yo, maybe try ultra speed.
I bet it. Domain expansion. You went too early. Wait, I need to get ready, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, give me another pink. Give me another pink.
I'm ready.
You have a bone.
Domain expansion. Malevolent spam. Ah, I can't spam fast.
You're doing it wrong, bro. Let me do it. I know how to do it.
Now.
Two,
You do it.
Three people do it.
Nah, let me do it. Ready? Let me do it. I'm actually like good at clicking with one finger. See this, bro? Ooh, see that? Ooh.
You think that's
No,
fast?
wait. Three people go in there.
All of us just spam.
No, you
Except
know
purple.
what?
He's gonna eat it.
No, you know what? Because one time I did this with my friends, and guess what? All three of them, all two of them got one.
Give me some. Give me some. Give me some. Let me eat it.
Sean, you're selling. You ready?
Let me eat it. Let me eat it. Let me eat it. Let me.
Dang.
I did it, I think.
I gotta get a little bigger.
Damn.
What the fuck?
You guys wait for me. You guys forgot about me. You did one for me.
We did it. We duped it twice. Because mine popped out. Wait, purple. Go in your stash and take it out.
I'm stuck. Help me.
Purple, take it out of your stash.
My turn. Everybody, my turn.
I don't have nothing in this bag.
Yes, you do.
I don't have nothing.
Wait,
don't.
drop it.
I don't have nothing.
Wait, bro.
in there.
Sean, can you make me tiny? I want to become
Make
microscopic.
me extra tiny. Make me extra tiny.
I need to become microscopic.
I need to be
That was fine.
extra small.
Alright, do it.
Alright, guys, I'm ready. Hey, gimme. Hey. Guys, wait for me.
Hey, look. Give it. It's us.
Yeah.
Wait, no. Hold it. Don't hold it. Yes. Now put it in yours.
I'm so tiny. I need to be smaller. I'm too massive. Dude, I'm literally bigger than you, Appleseed.
Alright, put it in yours. Put it in yours. Put it in yours. Alright, you ready?
Yo, can I be smaller? I need to get up. I'm too tiny. Put it really low. Put it here. Oh, I'm big again. I need to become microscopic.
Hey, when he turns smaller, it actually works better.
Wait, no, give me. Just only stop spam buying them. Only get them to me.
A bunch of little things over here.
Dude, he just stole them out of my hand. Come here. Purple, come here.
Run.
Purple, come here. Purple, come here. Purple. I need to tell you something.
Let's do it.
Alright,
Wait. Let me get something. I didn't get something.
so basically, he's weird. So basically, look. See these? Look at how big they are. Look.
Yeah, I know.
They're so big because we're so tiny.
I'm gonna kill you.
No! I went to the moon! I regret what I did. I'm at the moon. Go, Power Rangers! Go, Power Rangers!
Who's ready to duplicate?
Me!
I'm ready.
Need another
What
bullet.
the heck is going on now? What the heck is going on?
Give me it. It's tiny. It works better when you're tiny.
Wait, no, don't spam them!
That's it. Only eat them. It works better when you're tiny.
Make me tiny.
Look,
Bro, can I be tiny?
it works better when I'm bigger.
Yo, what? This is how you crash the game. You do this. Yo, I broke. Green.
Imagine having a clean with Jacob skin.
Imagine Ninja with a low taper face.
I don't need those. Imagine being alone there. Who's ready to duplicate?
Jacob.
What the hell?
Cooking with Jacob.
Who's ready to duplicate?
Wait, I need to get ready. I need to crack my knuckles. I'm getting ready. Green, how many do you have in your stash?
I'm not a girl.
I don't know.
Check. Count.
Not that.
Yeah.
That's not that much.
I want to become a Giga Chad.
Mixing everybody at the sisters.
Make me a Giga Chad. Yo, Sean, make me a Giga Chad. Make me a Giga Chad.
No more, bruh. I'm broke.
Make me a Giga Chad.
I'm broke.
Guys, I'm in the air.
I need to move before we can tiny. Wait, give me.
How do you do it? Let's do it. Ready to do it.
I am.
Come on, guys. Let's get ready.
Oh, wait, just let me eat some Keep up on my track, Keep my love. I'm ready to dupe. Keep up on my track, Dang it, I wasn't ready.
Guys, I didn't get it. You ready? Good on, boy. Who's ready?
Dude, I love this game for one reason. They can buy stuff.
Already.
I'm ready too. I did it.
Good boy.
Do we both do it?
I think. No, I didn't do it.
Ready?
Oh.
We did it.
Oh, my God.
Your inventory.
Have it in your hand, bro. I don't have it.
I got one.
You got one yellow?
Yeah. No. Yeah. Mine is the one that popped out.
So you got one.
Why do you like shredding your nuts?
I want open space.
Why are there revolvers everywhere?
No, I'm not joking. I put it anywhere, put it anywhere.
Hey, Matsukatsu!
Give me that.
Hey, find me. Hey, find me.
You wanna fight? Bet!
Intermediate.
Bet! Bet, you're cooked. You can't get bigger. Time out, I dropped my gun. Hey, no, I said... I dropped my weapon, that's not nice.
I'm in sewer.
You broke. Where's the beast?
Alright, we got 4 people.
I'm in sewers.
Alright. Ready.
Item ready.
Get in, boy.
I bet.
Okay. Nope.
Did you see me turn into a helicopter?
I'm back.
Yo, bro, come here, come here. I'll teach you how to turn into a helicopter. Come here.
Alright. It's fine, it's
Come here.
fine.
You can't get any bigger. You have to stay in that size. You have to stay.
Give it.
You can't become bigger. That's not fair. I have less HP. That's not fair. I have way less HP. Yay! I get one.
That's fair, that's fair, that's fair, that's fair.
Yeah, now it's fair.
Let's go.
I just fell into safe zone. Get me out of here. I need to get my ammo.
Both scared, get it with you. I'm not scared you are.
Because I need ammo. Bet, where are you,
Running.
big back? Get over here. Where are you?
Are you guys even helping?
I'm trying to. No, don't kill me. No, please, actually don't kill me. Don't finish me off. I have 1 hit. Stop.
You're not gonna lose it. How's everything welcome to give me the way, so you're chilling.
Why'd you kill me?
That's us. Right here.
My revolver. Don't sell it! Bro, actually, don't sell my stuff.
There you go, here you
Give
go.
me my
See?
revolver.
I already told you a lot of loot still.
Oi, 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 oi.
Wait, Stevie, on?
Alright, I'm ready, guys. I'm ready to dupe.
Alright, everybody get in.
Yeah, I got
here.
crackers to do. Wait, who
Let's
joined?
go.
Wait, everybody,
Spam.
can I have a cracker? Can I have a cracker?
Yeah.
No, everybody.
Everybody get in the machine.
Gotta dupe the crack.
But everybody get in. Because if there's more people, there's a more...
I got you. I'll just make it way too big. I'm the best at spamming.
Oh, who got it? I farted. Who got it?
I wait.
Give it. White guy. Who
He
got
just
it?
stole it.
Wait, hold on, guys.
Did he just die? Give me that body. I want to start flying. Hey, give me his body.
I tried you before and it didn't work.
I'm ready to dupe.
You can trust us. You can trust us.
Stop becoming big. We need to dupe.
We don't know.
No, we're not duping those. We're duping thingies.
Okay, bro.
Flippy flappers.
But who got the shredder? Who got the shredder?
He
This
does.
guy did. This guy, the big guy. He got the shredder.
Oh, damn.
So does anyone want to go to Haunted Mansion?
I think we did it. We did it.
Take it. You guys want to go to Haunted Mansion?
Like it's the last night. We were in there currently.
Wait. Can someone buy me a big flashlight? It's empty. Put it in yours. Put it in yours. Put it in yours. Can someone buy me a big flashlight? I'll give him a cracker for it.
Me. Alright, a big flashlight.
Yeah, the mega
everything
flashlight.
else. Anyone, I've been still a big
Put
flashlight.
it in yours because yours is empty.
Oh, flip. Bet.
I want or a
Bam.
what's it
How
called?
many do we
one
have?
before it? The glow stick. Almost to 100K. It's empty. Now put it in yours.
Okay, bet.
Okay, here. There's a card.
It's full. Guys, we almost have 100K.
Don't eat it though.
Good.
Guys, does anyone want to go to Haunted Mansion with me? No. Oh, that cracker came out.
We're duping.
I can't touch it. I can't hold it. I can't hold it. You usually eat the cracker.
Do I sell it or dupe it?
Help you know. Put it in The yours. cracker Put it in doesn't give yours.
Okay,
you
I'll
any
give it
back. It's just rare. Now give it.
Do we have 100K yet?
I'm going to Haunted Mansion.
And even bigger.
You messed up
almost.
our flow, dude. We were cooking.
Yeah, bro.
I'm talking to you. Okay. Get all.
Does anyone have their shield? I'll put their
That's
shield.
all the
Does
ones
anyone
in
have
your
one?
inventory out. Nobody steal the shredders. If you steal,
No, we're not done yet. We don't. I want to get the ore, and I have the key, so I can go. We're almost there. We're almost there. So, want to go to Haunted Mansion with me? I have the key in my backpack.
Gimme.
We can go. Don't want to go?
Nah. Do we have 100K?
Don't want to go to Haunted Mansion with me? We can make a lot of money. We need like a. Okay. Someone want to go to Haunted Mansion?
It's in
with me?
yours.
We'll make a lot of money. I promise.
Well, we're making more money.
Upside down ore. You know the upside down ore that makes when you hold it makes you upside
Yeah,
down.
it makes
and
you
backwards.
drunk.
Yeah,
Empty?
you could do all you want. I'm chilling.
I bet.
I'll give anything else you want if you want to go, because
Nah, I want to go with someone. Oh, I'm gonna duplicate it 2 more times. 2 more.
2 more? I bet. But eject them all out at once. I want to get a screenshot.
Alright, let me hold it.
1 more. We did it. Give it. Give me. Just let me hold it. Okay.
Now put it in yours. Put it in yours.
Okay, someone go to Haunted Mansion with me. I got the
No,
key.
wait,
I
you wanna
can't.
get-
I'm another kid.
If they
Are you ready?
if they bring a backpack
Yeah.
and a pickaxe, they can make a lot
Now,
of money.
Don't do them all at once. Yes. Okay.
Then we can duplicate the bag.
Don't steal
We can
them.
do it.
Don't steal.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go to Haunted Mansion and
Oh my
get
God, oh
the
my
upside
God.
down ore.
Oh my gosh.
You guys
Don't
can
steal.
get that
I literally
if you
just said don't steal. Guys, make it into a pile. Make it into a pile. We need thumbnail. No,
Going to Haunted
just
Mansion,
a
you
random
guys wanna
pile.
come
We
with
need
me?
to be random. It needs to be
I have the
random.
key, so-
Dude, we have so many. Alright, we're gonna knock down the pile after. Oh my gosh, we have so many. Oh my
I use one of
gosh.
my galaxy
There's
keys,
still
by the
more.
way, to open the thing for Haunted Mansion.
Don't steal them. Guys, put them into like a pile for thumbnail reasons. Oh yeah. Wait. Can we put that there? Put that there.
I said I will. Later. Oh, it's
That-
really tall
wait,
right
wait.
now.
this is perfect. This is perfect.
Perfect for thumbnails. Move. Get out of frame. Just for a sec. Perfect. Alright. We can sell them all. Go.
I'm gonna buy an RPG.
We're gonna sell them.
Now we're gonna get 200K.
Hey, wait,
No,
remember, what
there's a cap. No, don't. We have to do them at separate times. Because if we do them at once, they made the cap. They made a cap.
No, we have to do it. We have to do it at once. We have to do it all at once.
No. Wait, he's selling them. Get them out. Get them back.
But we have to.
5 at a time. It's 9 at a time. There's only 5 in here.
We need to sell them all at once.
He's selling
It
them.
will be.
Stop.
No, don't. We have to sell them all at once. Please, it's so sad.
What are y'all doing?
He's just pressing the same button.
It's so satisfying when you
One
sell
more.
it all at once.
We need one more.
No. We need more. We need more.
No. Oh, I'm telling you.
You're not gonna get no money from this. We're gonna get no money from this. I'm telling you, more than 9. That's right, it's 9. Can't no more.
Yes, we can.
Now, if you get no money from it, don't get mad at me.
Sell them. Bye, guys.
Sell them, I bet.
To go. Bye.
Oh, I got the time property.
He left.
Wait, let me get the money.
How much money?
Bye, guys. Have to go. Bye.
Give me one. Give us one nut shredder.
I already have 2. I have 2.
I have to get.
Okay, I now have the big
Wait, who needs to leave?
Him.
Hey, who wants to be blinded?
Not me.
Okay, you said
Bro.
me.
Sean, we're gonna have to dupe them.
Get blinded.
We have to stop them.
No, Sean.
Well, actually, stop, man.
Sean.
Get blinded.
No, why now?